Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to be unavailable on Messenger. So let's get started. To be unavailable on Messenger, you can simply deactivate or delete your account. For that, let's get into Messenger app. Click on this three-line icon on the top left and click on the settings icon over here. Scroll down and click on Account Center and click on Personal Details over here, and let's get into account ownership and control, and let's click on deactivation or deletion. So let's tap on this one and choose whether you want deactivating or deleting. Simply click on continue after that. After which we can continue the out steps in which we need to enter our password. So here, after entering the password, you can simply continue further, after which your account will be deactivated or deleted. After which you will finally be unavailable on Messenger. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.